సామాజిక వివాదాల సత్వర పరిష్కారంలో కమ్యూనిటీ మీడియేటర్లు క్రియాశీలక పాత్ర పోషిస్తారని రాష్ట్ర హైకోర్టు ప్రధాన న్యాయమూర్తి జస్టిస్ అలోక్ ఆరాధే ఆకాంక్షించారు. మధ్యప్రదేశ్లోని ఇండోర్లో తొలిసారిగా 2021లో కమ్యూనిటీ మీడియేటర్ వ్యవస్థను ప్రవేశపెట్టి సత్ఫలితాలు సాధించడంతో దాన్ని స్ఫూర్తిగా తీసుకుని తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్రంలో తొలిసారిగా పైలట్ ప్రాజెక్టు కింద నిజామాబాద్, కామారెడ్డి ఉమ్మడి జిల్లాల్లో కమ్యూనిటీ మీడియేటర్ వ్యవస్థను అందుబాటులోకి తెచ్చారు. వివిధ సామాజిక వర్గాల నుంచి కమ్యూనిటీ మీడియేటర్లుగా ఎంపిక చేసిన వారికి గురువారం నిజామాబాద్ జిల్లా కోర్టు సముదాయంలోని లీగల్ సర్వీసెస్ అథారిటీ సమావేశ మందిరంలో శిక్షణా తరగతులు ప్రారంభించారు. జిల్లా న్యాయ సేవాధికార సంస్థ సమన్వయంతో రాష్ట్ర న్యాయ సేవాధికార సంస్థ ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఈ నెల 24 వరకు 3 రోజుల పాటు కొనసాగనున్న ఈ శిక్షణా తరగతులను వర్చువల్ విధానం ద్వారా రాష్ట్ర హైకోర్టు చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ అలోక్ ఆరాధే లాంఛనంగా ప్రారంభించగా హైకోర్టు న్యాయమూర్తులు సుజయ్ పాల్, కె సురేందర్, జె శ్రీనివాసరావు భాగస్వాములయ్యారు.
A landmark initiative aimed at augmenting access to justice and promoting alternative dispute resolution mechanisms. My lords, this program seeks to provide a community-based platform for amicable results. My lords, in furtherance of the judiciary's commitment to innovation and excellence in judicial and justice delivery system, this initiative embodies the principles of access to justice, inclusivity and affordability. My lord, I extend my sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice for gracing the occasion and to the judiciary for its unwavering commitment to pioneering innovative justice delivery mechanisms. The present event to the significance of this initiative and underscores our collective dedication towards enhancing the justice system. My heartfelt thanks to the Honorable High Court and State Legal Services Authority for giving the opportunity of pilot project to Nizamabad district. I also thank the judicial officers, district collector, commissioner of police for their continuous support. My lords, responsible for conceptualizing and implementing this program. My lords, we assure that we collectively strive to ensure the success of this initiative, thereby reinforcing the judiciary's commitment of delivering justice that is truly accessible, affordable and inclusive. But this
Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa introduced the mediation and even resolved very important and heavy commercial matters by the process of community mediation. When we interacted with my brother and sister, that is in Kamareti and in Nizamabad, with the community heads, I remember in Kamareti about 100 community members, representatives were present, and I requested the participants to raise hand if in their family or in their relatives and friends' family there is no matrimonial dispute is going on. Courts have very limited scope to resolve these disputes.
State Telangana State Legal Services Authority, Justice Director, Administrative Judge, Nizamabad District, Brother Justice J. Srinivasa, Administrative Judge, Kamareti District, Principal District Judges of Nizamabad and Kamareti Districts, Dr. Mohammad Shabib and Srimati Giripala Singh, for to execute. My privilege to be amongst you all on this inauguration of training program for community mediators and volunteers organized by State Legal Services Party. The initiative has been taken by Justice Sujoy Paul. In the state of Telangana, this program is first of its kind, and I, on my own behalf as well as on behalf of entire judges,
congratulate a message which has enhanced the spirit of us to go ahead further for better prospects. His Lordship also enlightened us and the participants on the need of the community service through the community mediators. Further, I would like to express my gratitude to His Lordship for virtual presence and a message motivated everyone who is present over here. I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to the Honorable Sri Justice Sujoy Paul Garu, Judge High Court for the State of Telangana and Executive Chairman Telangana State Legal Service Authority, who is the motivator, guide and instrumental in taking up the community mediators program in the state of Telangana. Especially by choosing the Nizamabad and the Kamarhindi districts as the Honorable Principal District Judges of both the districts have come forward to take up the community mediation program. I take a valuable time and in selecting the volunteers and making the arrangements for this training program. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the local administration of both the districts, the collectors of Nizamabad and Kamarhindi, and also the Commissioner of Nizamabad district and the Superintendent of Kamarhindi district for extending their help in selecting the volunteers for the community